Hello guys, glad to see you on my new YouTube video, and today I want to show you how to change language to English in Davinci Resolve. So it's pretty easy, and the first step you need to do is open a project in Davinci Resolve. Okay, and now at the top left corner you can see Davinci Resolve. So click on it, and now in this drop-down menu let's select Preferences. Or you can use this keyboard shortcut. Okay, now at the very top of this window you can see two tabs, System and User. Select User, and right here you can see the language option right here. Just select the necessary language that you want. So in my case I'll select English, and now click on Save at the bottom right. Okay, just wait, preferences updated, changes will take effect the next time Resolve is started. Click on OK. Now you need to relaunch Davinci Resolve and the language will be changed. That's how you can do it. This is pretty easy. I think this video was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.